tried to like put the comment on here, guys. This is how dirty this thing is, guys. Within a week, y'all, and I'm about to wash this. I'm about to revamp this place. One thing I don't like about the tiles, I don't know how to like prevent them from turning black or whatever, but I'm gonna try my best to see what I can do to clean it my best. But this is what I'm dealing with right now. Does not look cute. I know some of y'all know what I'm dealing with. You know, this is like life, like real life. Like, look at that nastiness, nasty. So let's go ahead and let's get started. Guys, it is super hot in here, guys. If y'all see me dressing like this, is because it is hot in the bathroom, and I have been running around making breakfast, cleaning the place, making sure that everything looks good in the kitchen. So guys, yes, I gotta do some laundry as well. So like when y'all see me this, I'm sweating, it's hot, so I need to dress for the weather in the house. It is hot. I got the AC on though, but it's hot in the bathroom. Y'all feel me? Y'all get me? So don't judge me. But I got my gloves there. These are my gloves. See my gloves. Alright guys, so this is what I used. So I used the Comet with bleach. Comet with bleach removes tough stains. Okay. Alright. So guys, I'm gonna start off with the bathtub. My son is recording me on this part. The bathtub, I feel like, is the most dirtiest place. Like seriously, like I said before, I'm not sure what's going on with these black things or whatever, but like my husband, he is the one who washes the bathtub because I am not good at it, guys. It takes a whole lot of hard work. My arms be hurting, like my shoulders and everything. Yes, I'd be sweating like crazy. So, but this time I decided that I was gonna do it, yeah, to help him out and all that good stuff. So yeah, this time I was like, you know what, let me do it. I'm gonna try my best. So I was prepared for the heat, I was prepared for everything. So I used a Comet, right, and I felt like it wasn't working correctly, so I decided to use the wipes because my husband uses the wipes. Okay, I don't know how he does it, but when he does it, it comes out looking so squeaky clean. Like seriously, well, I guess he's a man, so he got all the strength. But so I was switching back and forth because my hands were getting tired. But yeah, guys, just keep watching and let me know what you guys think at the comment section. So my son did a good job recording the first part of the video. the all-purpose cleaner with bleach cleansers and deodorizers. And also I'm going to be using the hand sanitizing wipes to just, finish off everything. So let me go ahead and let me get started. So I'm put this right here. feel accomplished today. So guys, I'm gonna show you guys around so you guys can see how it looks like. So guys, thank y'all so much for watching this video. As y'all can see, I'm hot, I'm sweating, but it's all good. So so I'm gonna show you guys around. Let me know what you guys think from the beginning to the end. And I will see y'all on the next video. Peace, bye. Alright guys, so here we go. So here's the bathtub. Guys, I did my best, yo. I did my best, yo. Don't come for me. So the only thing I don't like is those little black things. I try my best to take them off, but I will try to do some research, find out how we can combat this, because I don't like it, to be honest. And look at that, this is clean. So this is how it looks like. I love this side, because this side is nice and clean. I'm gonna try my best to wash this with bleach. So yeah, this is how it looks like. And here's the bathroom. That's a washcloth that I was using on the floor. So here's the mirror, the sink. The sink, I'm not sure. Yeah, so here we go. Here it is. And the toilet, all is clean. So yeah, and our weight thingy, here's our weight thingy. I just don't like those, but I don't know how to take them off. But I feel like the floor is clean anyway. There's no dirt on the floor. It's nice and clean. So the only thing I gotta get rid of is these things on the floor. I'm gonna get rid of these, make sure everything is nice and clean. But other than that, guys, this is the end result. So guys, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Go ahead and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Go ahead and subscribe to the channel for more videos. Until next time, guys, peace. Bye.